Welcome to the fourth edition of the International Automotive Manufacturing Summit 2022. This is Anushka Vani, correspondent at IAMS magazine, and today we have with us Mr. Ajay Kavade, who is the Senior General Manager Manufacturing at Skoda Volkswagen. And so we are really glad to have you with us today. And could you please share in some of your thoughts about the summit with us?
So first of all, thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm very glad that you have given this particular platform. So many experts, many leaders in different industry, basically who are associated with the e-car manufacturing, they are together. Many people have gathered here so that they can share their experience and coming together how everyone can help each other so that this e-vehicle business can be taken further into the Indian industry. I think this is a really right platform and a very good initiative, I will say.
All right. Also, sir, with government allotting subsidies for sustainable mobility, can you shed some light on the future of e-mobility manufacturing in India?
Yes, we are talking about e-mobility manufacturing in India, but it is already there in India, I will say. It is only a matter of time that how fast we do the progress in this particular aspect. Yes, there are lots of OEMs, even including our Skoda Volkswagen, we are also a part of it. And in coming years, we are coming in a big way in this particular thing. As far as our company strategy is concerned, globally also it is known that we will have our top-down approach. We will see how this market is growing. We will see how the ecosystem is also being developed, and I think this will facilitate for the further development here in the Indian market.
Absolutely, sir. So moving ahead, I wanted to ask you, what is Volkswagen's vision for e-mobility manufacturing in India?
Just now I said that as far as our Skoda Volkswagen is concerned, we are already introducing our top-end models. You must have seen there are a lot of cars which are already on the road. And there is a very good success, and a lot of inquiries are also coming in for these particular vehicles. So we will see how this particular class is performing, but at the same time we will go ahead with some small cars going forward, because we also need certain time for development of the ecosystems. So once the suppliers are developed, when the parts are developed, when the costs are comparable for the Indian market, I'm sure the future is bright, not only for our company but for most of the companies.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights with us. Thank you.
Thanks.